So we're about to see a very affordable, big house. That's what you said.
Affordable big house, yes.
And it's next to a river, and it's next to a beautiful church. So tell us how much it is, how big it is.
This property is about 160 square meter.
Okay, so about 1,700 square feet.
With a small private courtyard.
How much is this puppy?
65,000 euros.
65,000 euros.
Negotiable.
Okay. Negotiable. That's what I like about William. He's like, and it's negotiable. Wow, this is so cute.
Entrance, yeah.
Oh, I love this. This is cute. So you know what I'm going to say because you've watched enough videos. We're going to rip all of this off of here. All of the stucco is going to go. We're going to have beautiful stone underneath it. We're going to repoint the stone, and it's going to be super charming. Very charming.
Yes.
Yes. Now it's just a concrete prison cell. What is up with them? Okay. This is quite cute.
Yeah.
It's very cute.
We have the house has so many cellars.
Tons of storage.
Exactly.
But you can use them to, we can renovate it.
Exactly.
Okay, let's take a look.
We're starting from
I'm
the
thinking,
home. Okay.
I'm thinking, okay, you lead the way.
Please.
I know you want ladies first, but it's easier if you go first.
We have one living room here.
Okay. So this is just a room. So
Yes.
it's not connected to anything.
But we can connect it eventually.
Of course.
Yeah.
I mean, I would definitely connect it because it's a wild floor plan. Okay. High ceilings, I will say. You know, I'm not going to say, oh, it's a nice size room because we're going to rip it apart anyway, so it doesn't matter. So what I'm looking at here is the location, also the number of rooms there are. This would have to be completely redone by Geometra. The floor plan would have to be redone so that it was a little more user-friendly, we say.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. He likes that. All right, carry on.
We have a kitchen here.
Okay. There's some water damage on the ceiling. Probably needs a new roof.
Repair, sure, for sure.
Okay, now that I know he's a geometer, I can ask him all these questions. When is the last time they used this as a holiday home?
About 10 years ago.
10 years ago. Okay, so it's been sort of hanging out for 10 years. You can tell. I mean, it needs some love. All right, so we've got one room, two rooms. Keep going. I've seen it, I get it. Everything's gonna get ripped out, so don't pay attention to any of the furnishings. Bathroom, again, ripping it out, but yeah, okay. The room that we were just in attaches to this room.
Exactly.
Okay, so we just
We
bust
can
through
open and connect.
Okay, got it, okay. It's always so weird when you walk in these houses and there are all these little tiny rooms and you're like, where am I? What is that there?
Small storage.
Storage, okay. More stairs. So this is probably the parents' house that then the parents don't use or they passed away or whatever, and then they inherited this. This is why Italians don't buy houses, because they're house rich. They have a lot of houses and they're a lot to take care of. They're not going to rip this apart because it's going to cost money. And why? Because they have probably 3 other houses. So they probably already have a vacation house.
We have 2 other bedrooms here.
So there's bedroom over there.
Yeah, another one.
Yeah. And another, so actually it's quite big.
It's quite big, yeah.
But it's very broken up into pieces.
Yes.
Can we go up here?
No, we have the roof on the top.
Can we go all the way up? You know me,
About,
I like high ceilings.
Yeah, 1 meter about.
1 meter,
yes,
3 feet, that's a
1 meter.
lot.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we can level this floor, which will bring this down, which will make the ceiling even higher in here. Why is there a step here? I've always wanted
Probably
to ask.
are a different section of the property in the past. One house, another house, and the parents have connected in the past.
But you would think, like, it has the same tile floor, so they did at the same time. You would think they would just take it out. So they don't, they just wouldn't do that? I mean, I would do that. Wouldn't you do that? You're gonna kill yourself on that.
Yeah.
I mean, so in America, you can't do this.
No?
It's not allowed because it's dangerous. Everything in America is ADA. It's all about American Disabilities Act. So that comes into everything you do.
But
this in America would never happen.
Yes, of course.
Because everybody in America sues everybody, where they don't. In Italy, if they trip and they break their face, they're okay with it. And what's this? Oh, little closet. Okay. This is actually quite cute. Oh, they have some cute stuff in here. They have some cute fabrics in here. One might go missing. I don't know. Careful here. There's another one of those killer steps. So we have another bedroom here. Okay, so we could just blow all this out, right? Yeah. So how much can you change the floor plan here with all these walls? Do you know what weight-bearing walls? Is this a weight-bearing wall?
This is structural wall, but we can open until on 1 meter on the...
So you can come out 3 feet.
Exactly.
Okay, got it. Well, that's good to know. God, I just love that he's a geometra. I'm like living for this now.
Okay.
This is so good. And so we could actually lower this whole thing and not worry about the ceiling.
Yeah, we can remove the ceiling. Yeah.
You don't have to remove it. You just lower the... There's
We have
like
the
a...
cellar underneath.
Well, we make the cellar shorter.
If you, yes.
Hello? Who wants to... this is where we're living, right? Okay, I have no idea how I would like subdivide this, but it's big.
Is it just a balcony out there, or is it?
Yeah, the balcony.
It's a balcony, but I think we just blow all that away. Just take a big stick of dynamite and throw it into here and start over again. I mean, all these steps. I mean, Italians, what's with the steps? What is with the steps?
In my house, I have 1,000 steps.
What is the what is with that? What's the matter with you people with the steps? Look at this. This is like a step up, this, and then a step down. What is this?
The people who live here are very pure people in the past, and buy the next house from the parents.
Right.
For that, they connected, and they make it's more simple. Spend the 200 euro and make one step, then the restoration. Okay.
Okay, so it's just being cheap. Got it. Okay. This is crazy. What is happening here? What is happening? What is this? What is happening here?
I don't know.
This is an architect's nightmare. They go and they go, holy crap, I just get a bulldozer and take all this shit out. Jesus. What is this here? What is happening? So this is what you're worried about below?
Yeah.
Can we just get rid of?
Yeah, but it's expensive because we have devaulted.
Oh, so it's expensive to make it square?
Yes. It's more easily remove the ceiling.
What's expensive mean? Just give me a ballpark.
To remove the vaulted.
And lower it.
10,000 euro, 15,000 euro.
15,000 euros. That's not cheap, actually. So we have the same thing. Yeah, I would take it out, though. Do a less expensive bathroom. And then we have another room here.
Yeah, another cellar.
I'm like lost. I don't even know where we came in anymore. It's like a maze. I would have to look at this on a floor plan. This is tough.
This is like a cellar.
Oh, this is nice, though.
Yeah.
This could be something. I don't know what, but it could be something. I don't know what, but you include it on the floor plan, yeah?
Yeah.
It's so cool in here, too.
Yeah. Nice.
So nice in here. And it goes way back there?
Yeah, it's a dark cellar.
Can you turn the lights on in the cellar?
No, because the light is disconnected now.
The light is disconnected now. Okay. But we have light. Let's go in there.
Please.
Please, come with me.
Another step.
And another step. And a bath.
This is the wine cellar.
Oh, this is so nice.
Installed.
That's quite nice. I like it. I like it. You can hang salami in here.
Yeah, you know.
It's nice. This is a nice space. This could be a cool guest room if you wanted it to be. Right?
You can't have windows.
And this is the bath.
Oh, yeah.
We have a bath.
We have.
Annette, we have a pipistrelli.
I know. Of course you do. Not shocking.
Okay.
Can we do a window here?
No, because we have another home behind.
They won't mind. Hi, I'm your new neighbor. Hi. Can we make this bigger window?
Maybe yes.
Maybe yes. Typical geometry response. Maybe yes.
And this is a very old place.
Did you see how scared he was to open that?
This is for
Like
the
a chimpanzee
you
will
know,
jump
for
out.
the testarolo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like fire. But it could be a cute storage thing, right?
Yeah.
I like the little fountain back there. What's going on back there?
There, back there.
A little bathtub.
Yeah.
It's my bathtub.
Yeah.
Well, that's kind of fun. Here, this could be a sauna. And a spa bathtub, different bathtub, but yes. But it has plumbing, so that's cool. And those are your neighbors there?
Exactly.
Okay, that's kind of ugly. All right. Is that it?
We have 2 cellars and we finish.
There's more. Wow. This is a big property.
Here in the past was a boiler.
So it's a mechanical room.
Yeah, in American.
In English. Okay, that's cool. I mean, that's a yes, right? We need that. More?
We have this cellar.
Okay, that's a nice size cellar. Okay. And then the ones on the other side?
And one on the
Let's go look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This.
take me there. Of course, I want to see everything.
The last one. It's
Oh,
very
that's
high
nice.
cellar. We are underneath the living room. If you want, the buyer can walk in and swim in on the river.
Okay, that's good.
This is a public fountain. It's underneath the restoration. Probably the restoration ending in about 1 year.
1 year, okay. Oh wow, this needs to be like cleaned out. Who would clean this out? Who would clean this?
After finish the restoration, the council clean whole.
Oh, they will?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good question to ask because it really needs a lot of work.
Yeah.
The other question is that this is very dangerous here.
Yeah.
Can you ask the council to put a fence here?
Yeah, this is a council road. Probably the council will make the railway.
But you could help with that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. It's very cool. I mean, it's
Yeah.
cool that you have access for sure. Nothing a weed whacker and some heavy machinery can't
Yeah.
fix, right? And the Italians love to work with heavy machinery. They're
Yeah.
into it. The men love it, right?
Yeah.
We've done the tour of the maze house, I'm going to call it. Lots of rooms. Don't mind us. I love it.
Yeah.
I do. I think that if somebody's up for a super big project, wants to live near a river, wants to get to know the council
Yeah.
with your help, then I think this is the project for you. The price is right. I'm sure it's very negotiable. And it's right next to this beautiful church. I like the river thing. I think that's fun. And I think if they clean that all up, you can go in the river like on a day like today. The whole crew wanted to jump in. So if you've gotten this far, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, William.
Thank you.
Once again, you've done it. And we'll see you at the next location. Peace.